Hi everybody, so I'm going to show you a technique for fighting somebody who's bigger than you. And once again, violence should be our very last option, right? We don't want to have to go down that road, but sometimes we're forced into it, right? We have a bigger person attacking us, you have to defend yourself. So I'm going to show you how to deal with this. So I'm with my friend Marcus and his wife on this beautiful location that we're at, Pacific Star Winery in Fort Bragg, California. They're nice enough to let us use their location. Fabulous, come to visit it if you're ever here. And you can see Marcus is quite bigger than me, right? I'm 5'7". Marcus is a pretty big guy. How tall are you?
6'5".
6'5", okay. He's standing on a downward slope. All right, so go ahead and put your arm out and make a fist. Okay, look at this. He can hit me way before I can hit him. That's a problem, okay? We have to account for that issue. So, like I've always taught you, you're gonna keep your hands up like this. It is both a defensive and an offensive move, right? From here, we can protect our face, we can block, and we can punch really quick because our hands are already up. So, Marcus is gonna throw the typical haymaker that an untrained person would throw, and I'm gonna show you how to deal with this. Hey, stay back, stay back, stay back. Boom, and I'm gonna hit him in the throat any way I want to. I don't want to hit him in the face. The face is very hard, and I've actually broken my hand on somebody's face before. And we want to be a showstopper. We want to get him in a spot that it's going to give you enough time to get away from there. Okay? So, what are we going to do? If you can throw that again, I'm blocking because my hands are already up. I'm hitting the throat. Now, what if that's too much? What if that's too much to remember in the moment? Okay, throw that punch again. We're gonna go from here and hit. Look how close I am to him. I can hit him here. I can hit him in the eyes. I can do a lot of damage from being that close. And all I've done is gone from here to cover up for that punch. It's just a punch. Don't freak out, right? It's not a knife. It's not a gun. Just absorb the punch and move on to your strike. That's gonna disable him, and then I'm gonna be able to get away. Thank you so much, Marcus. He's a great guy.
Thank you.
And we'll see you soon.